There must be thousands of videos available on this topic. Through the compounding, you will be able to create massive wealth or success. Even some of the people is saying that compounding is eighth wonder of the world, and as a curious person, I was stupid till now. I haven't realized this thing. Then I started some research, and here is the compounding from my point of view. Welcome guys to the Conclusion Matters. I'm your host, and let's just start. So what exactly is compounding? Compounding in normal definition is a process where assets earning either from the capital gain or interest is to be reinvested to generate additional earnings. It means return on your returns leading to exponential growth. Yes, what was that? I will make it easy for you. Let's assume you have 100 rupees and you have chosen this 100 rupees to be invested in a scheme where rate of interest is 10%. So at the end of the year, you will be earning 10 rupees as the interest and your total investment will be 110. Now you have two options, either to take 10 rupees home or either to reinvest into a scheme again. You choose to reinvest. Let's go to the next year. Next year, your investment will be 110. Remember, you have chosen to reinvest. Now, rate of interest is again the 10%, but at the end of the second year, your interest income will be 10% of 110, that is 11 rupees, and your total investment will be 121. So by your decision to reinvest this into the scheme again, you can see the exponential growth from 100 to 110 and 110 to 121. This process is called as compounding. But wait, this video is just like other videos which we have watched already on the same topic. Yes, probably it is. And it's normal audience retention ratio for me in my channel. So if you are normal people, I will ask you to leave. You are going to do it anyway. But if you are psychopaths like me, yes, I use the word psychopaths because I'm more than one. So if you are a psychopath like me, you must carry on, because we are going to reveal most and deeper secrets on this topic. So let's just start. Now the question which was coming into my mind at the time of doing research, that if the compounding was that easy, why not everybody is a billionaire? Why only Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and few of the people did it, not the others? If I know that I will invest 5,000 rupees in 2025, it will become 50,000 in 2050. I know all the things, but what is the reason that holding me back not to do it? I found many reasons, so let's discuss one by one with their solutions. So the reason number one is humans tend to choose instant gratification or having less patience. People tend to choose instant reward over delayed one. So the solution for that part is to keep things out of your control and make it automatic. Okay, I will give you my personal example in order to you to learn. This is normal practice of mine. I will send money to my brother. He will do the SIP on my behalf. He will keep control of the Demat account. So at any point of time, being an impatient guy trying to sell anything, he will be there to stop me. And this is the best practice I have. Even you can ask your bank to make the SIP very automatic and ask them to put the penalty on you if you will not pay for the SIP. This is the best practice. Reason number two is difficulty in visualizing exponential growth. Nobody can tell future, nobody can tell what will happen after 10, 20, 50 years of the life. So to remove this uncertainty, I would suggest to maintain a diary. Write down what is the amount which is going to be invested by you in the stock market, what will be your end goal, and just follow your diary, shut your mind, shut your mouth and stop forecasting the future. Third reason is corrections into the market. You know, after every 4 and 5 years, there will be minor or major corrections into the stock market. So don't be in panic, or if you will be in panic, just remember this chart. This is the yearly chart of Nifty 50. You can see from 1990s, market is that go up only. Before I will say bye-bye to you guys, some people will argue with me that 50,000 rupees in 2050 will be worthless because of the inflation. No, you are wrong. Consider India's inflation is 5% and your money growth is 10%. So actual growth rate will be 10% minus 5% is equal to 5%. So 50,000 will not be that much of worthless as you are thinking. And if you are a smart investor, immediate question which shall be coming into your mind is where to invest. And for this question, I will see you in next part. Thank you and subscribe.